Today we're going to be talking about different types of Shopify dropshipping stores, specifically general stores or niche stores. A niche refers to specific products, services, or interests that appeal to a small specialized section of a population. Now, what is a general store and what is a niche store? Hi, I'm Nex from Pixel Next, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about online businesses, about dropshipping, about Shopify. For the first one, general stores are stores where they aggregate or compile multiple products from all sorts of niches. Like Amazon, eBay, or Lazada, these are very gigantic marketplaces. These big marketplaces, they arrange their products according to specific niches or sections. The sections could be about cars, it could be about toys, about electrical appliances, it could be about makeup accessories, it could be about gardening accessories. Pretty much any kind of physical product that you want to find, you can find it in these big marketplaces, these big general stores. In terms of Shopify dropshipping, you can go two ways if you want to build a general store. Firstly, you could build up a store where you don't have a specific niche in mind. So you put products, multiple types of products from different kinds of niches that aren't related to each other at all. For example, you put car accessories inside, you put motorcycle accessories, you put baby products, you put strollers, you put gardening hoses, you put lipsticks, you put pretty much all of the products are not related from one to the other. Secondly, you can focus on one big niche. This could be a niche that is very big, but it has small related niches under it. So for example, the wildlife niche. That's a very, very big niche, and you have smaller niches inside, such as monkeys, hyenas, lions, tigers. You can sell these kind of products inside that one big niche store, if that makes sense. As for the second type of store, which is the niche store, they focus on one specific niche. So you have a niche, an interest that appeals to a very passionate audience, passionate buyers that display a very high interest in that kind of niche. With niche stores, they tend to build more passionate audiences, such as horse lovers, dolphin lovers, people who love things or accessories related to dolphins. So maybe you can sell like a necklace, a dolphin necklace, a dolphin bracelet, dolphin hat. They also help with the maturing or the seasoning of the Facebook pixel. So you can collect specific data of specific people with specific interests into one Facebook pixel. You can build specific email lists for these specific people, which you can later remarket or retarget them using Facebook ads to sell other related products that is in the same niche. Then, after you've matured the Facebook pixel by acquiring lots of purchases on specific items in your store, so let's say you sold hundreds of dolphin bracelets from passionate dolphin buyers, you can build custom audiences, and you can also form lookalike audiences in the Facebook ads platform. And these are very, very profitable strategies. Very profitable strategies to form ads that convert better. Based on the list of customers that bought from you, that bought that specific dolphin bracelet, you can also remarket, you can retarget them with other products related to the dolphin niche, such as the dolphin necklace. It's best to start with a general store and then move on to niche stores. Mainly because you're still learning, so you're still new to the business. You want to have a feel of the business. You don't know what problems you might face. So it's good to test things out. You can test multiple niches inside that one specific general store, and then once you have more experience, you can move on to niche stores. You can build specific stores with specific interests. If you want to start with the general stores, I recommend that you start with the second type of general store, where you focus on one big niche. Let's say, I'm using the same example, wildlife niche. So let's say you name your store as wildlifegems.com. So wildlifegems.com. In that store, you sell specific smaller niches that are related to wildlife, such as lion bracelets, wolf bracelets, shark bracelets. After that, when you found that one small niche or two small niches that are doing way better than the other small niches inside that one big niche store, you can start to change that store to focus on products related to that small niche. For example, you sold the lion bracelet, the wolf bracelet, and the shark bracelet together in that one big niche store. You found out that for the shark bracelets, it's doing better. The sales are better, it's converting higher. People are more interested in that kind of product than the others. So you can change that store into just selling shark-related items. So on top of the shark bracelet itself, you can sell you can sell shark rings, you can sell hats with sharks on them, or you could build a new store that focuses on that specific niche. So shark is doing well. You build a new store, sharkgems.com, and then you sell the same items that you sold in that general store into that new store. Well, that's pretty much it. So remember, unless you have high experience or you're very confident about what's working right now in the market, start off with a general store that focuses on one big niche. And then you test several smaller niches inside them related to that one big niche. When you found the profitable small niche or small niches inside that one big niche, you can build up a new store specific to the profitable small niche that you found in that general store. That way, you can laser focus and be more structured. If you found the content helpful, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down in the comment section down below if there's any other kind of videos that you'd like me to talk about. If there's any way that I can help you with your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.